Right. So once again, good morning. So already discussed solid state. And the solid state already completed lessons. So one time go through pandrom. First we are entering textbook. Textbook first of all I told unit cell. So unit cell means already I gave one example. Brick. Brick is nothing but what? Unit cell. Multiple of brick arranged in the wall is nothing but what? Crystal lattice. Multiple of unit cell arranged in the wall is called a crystal lattice. So brick is called a unit cell. So one unit cell is nothing but what? Naka? This is a three-dimensional structure. So three-dimensional means three axis related. So that's already we did the cubic structure three axis. So three axis means this is x-axis, this is a y-axis, so z-axis. Okay. Adala two different point is very important. The origin start agu. This is called edge length. This is called edge length. So A between the origin to this pink color ball is a edge length. Similarly, this is one edge length. This is another edge length. That is given clearly. Next, alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but angle between the edge length. Angle between the edge length. So this is a alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. So this is the next stage. You can move primitive, non-primitive. So already I show once again. So primitive, non-primitive means see this. Actually, everything is a crystal arranged in a regular manner or irregular. So regular manner, you can draw the either shape, square shape, a rectangle shape, or cubic shape. So square shape, rectangle, or cubic, between the two lattice point, you can draw any lattice point present in inside means that is called non-primitive. Without lattice point, everything perfect cubic structure or square structure or rectangle structure, that is called primitive. So primitive means unit cell. Primitive means unit cell alone. It's not any additional lattice point. Whereas non-primitive, that means what? After draw the unit cell, you have one lattice point present inside the cubic or inside the square or inside the any other shape. So that is called a non-primitive. Okay, is the differentiate between primitive and non-primitive. Now we enter to the textbook once again. So this is the textbook sentence. So after that, in the textbook syllabus, we will discuss only in primitive. So primitive further classify how many times? So far 7 types: cubic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic. This is based upon the edge length and angle between the edge length. Edge length and angle between the edge length. So edge length means what? For suppose this is the edge length, ABC, this is called edge length. Angle means what? Between the edge length. So alpha, beta, gamma. So everything same means that is called a once again the report. See the table. So everything same. That means what? A cubic form. Adile depends upon sometime edge length same or angle little bit difference. That is called a what? Rhombohedral. So in this case, edge length different, angle between the edges 120 degree. So based upon the slight variation, either edge length or angle between the edge length, you can change the shape. So perfect structure, everything proper and clear manner means first shape only. That is called a cubic. Rest of thing either edge length or angle between the edge length. That to anyone not equal. See, for example, triclinic, everything not equal. Edge length between the AB, edge length between the BC, or angle is not equal to 90 degree. This is all called what? A shape, slightly slanting shape. Slightly slanting shape. Whereas cubic only, everything perfect structure. So this is a further 7 types. So after, once again, after 7 primitive, 7 primitive, then you can move each and every primitive, that is a cubic, further classify 3 types, tetragonal, further classify 2 types, hexagonal, 1 type, orthorhombic, 4 types, monoclinic 2 types, triclinic 1 type, trigonal 1 type, triclinic 1 type. So far, how many shapes here? 14 shapes. Further, primitive classify 14 possible crystal system. So once again, I repeat the word. Distinguish between primitive and non-primitive here. So primitive means what? Any lattice point present in the inside the cubic means that is called what? Non-primitive. Suppose no lattice point present in the cubic means that is a primitive. That is already shown one key point. Next, after that, this is called what? This is a further 7 primitive types. Next one, each and every primitive further classify how many shapes? 14 crystals. Adala one of the main topic in our textbook discussed detailed discussion. Cubic further classify 3 types: simple cubic, face center cubic, body center cubic. So see this is actually the number of atom in cubic unit cell. Simple cubic means, see this shape. Simple cubic means already informed. Simple cubic means what? This is a corner in each and every cubic. This is called a corner. Okay, this is called center of the point. This is called what? Blue color, green color, and pink color. This is what? Face. So how to differentiate between corner, center of the body, and the face means, adukku or example already I told. Suppose if we take one room, normal room, adala 8 corner, all the edges, that is called a corner. So 8 corner present. 8 corner present. Then after that, each and every corner, how many unit cell shared? That one we'll discuss later. That is this is a calculation part. Here 8 corner. Center of the body means corner with the center of the body. So already I told 8 corner plus 1 point is called what? Center of the body. So 8 plus 1, 9. This is what? 6 face with the corner. 6 face with the corner. So far here, see this. Simple cubic, face center cubic, body center cubic. In lattice pointer, only corner. Lattice pointer, simple cubic means what? Only corner. Suppose face center cubic means what? Corner plus face. Body center cubic means corner plus center. This is what visibly can see. Kannala theriyakudiyadu. So inge evlo theriyudhu parunga. Corner means 8. See this diagram. So 8 number of atoms. Here 8 corner plus 6 face. So 8 plus 6, 14. Third one, third diagram. Then last one, 8 plus 1. 8 corner and 1 center of the body. So far 9. இதோட calculation நம்ம டீடைலா டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Each lattice point shared number of unit cell. So what is the meaning of this? Already discussed it detailedly. For each and every corner shared how many number of unit cell? அதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னோம். ஒரு பில்டிங்ல ஒரு கார்னர் எடுத்தாங்க. அதை சுத்தி how many possible to construct the rooms? How many possible to construct the rooms? அப்படின்னாக்க each corner touch பண்ற மாதிரி 8 rooms construct பண்ணலாம். 8 rooms. அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லியிருந்தோம். என்ன சொன்னோம்? 1 room என்றது நீ இருக்கிற ரூம், another 1 room உன்னுடைய next room, உன்னுடைய லெஃப்ட் சைடுல third one, அதுக்கு பக்கத்துல fourth. So far உன்னுடைய ஃப்ளோர்ல 4 rooms, first floorல another 4 rooms. So 4 plus 4, 8 rooms-க்கு each corner touched ஆயிருக்கும். So far 8 rooms. அப்போ another one more column, each lattice point contribution அப்படின்னும் போது இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னேன். ஒரு பனானாவை 8 பீஸ் போட்டிருக்கோம். அதுல 7 piece will share another 7 members, 7 rooms. So only one banana, one piece only contribute this particular room. So that is the meaning. So far I'm having how many shared? 8. I'll only contribute only how many parts? 1/8 parts. 1/8 parts. Out of 8 la 1/8 parts only contribute per unit cell. Okay. So இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? கால்குலேட்டர்ல கொண்டு வரோம். Total number of atom in cubic. So NC into 1/8. NC means what? column number 3. How many number of corner present in the each cubic? Visibly can see 8. I'll contribute 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8, 8 8 cancel. So simple cubic 1. This is yesterday கூட நான் கொடுத்த projectல one of the point. So இப்போ இதுக்கு என்ன headings? Total number of atom present in cubic. Total number of atom present in cubic. But next two calculation which is a common, face center and body center corner calculation common. Corner calculation should be common, except introducing இதெல்லாம் face introduce பண்ண போறோம், இல்ல center of body introduce பண்ண போறோம். So once again பாருங்க, face center எடுக்கிறோம், corner calculation everything same, resemble with simple cubic, but plus face. So visibly how many face present here? 6 face. 2 blue color balls, 2 pink color ball, 2 green color ball. So face means அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லிருக்கேன், என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன், ஒரு வால்ல மிட் பிளேஸ். ஸோ உங்களுடைய ரூம்ல உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கேன்னா உங்களுடைய லெஃப்ட் சைட், ரைட் சைட், ஃப்ரண்ட், பேக், டாப், பாட்டம். ஸோ டோட்டலா 6 வால் இருக்கும். ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி வால்ல சென்டர்ல இருக்கிறதா ஃபேஸ். சென்டர் இஸ் கால்டு ஃபேஸ். ஸோ ஃபார் ஹவு மெனி ஃபேஸ்? 6 ஃபேஸ். இப்போ ஃபேஸ் சோஃபார் ஷேரிங் எவ்வளவு ஷேர் பண்றது செக் பண்ண போறோம். இப்போ ஈச் ஃபேஸ் ஷேர்டு பிட்வீன் த 2 யூனிட்ஸ். உன்னுடைய ரூம், உன்னுடைய பக்கத்து ரூம், 2 ரூம் ஷேர் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. ஸோ பிட்வீன் த 2 ரூம்ஸ். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி கார்னர் வி டிட் 8 யூனிட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இது 2 யூனிட்ஸ். அதுல கான்ட்ரிபியூட் அப்படின்னும் போது என்கிட்ட இப்ப நான் நினைச்சிருக்கேன், ஒரு ஃபுல் பனானா இருக்கு, 2 பீஸ் போடுறேன், ஒரு பீஸ் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும், ஒரு பீஸ் பக்கத்து ரூம் கொடுக்குறோம். அப்போ 2 பீஸ்ல எனக்கு எவ்வளவு வருது? 50%. 1 by 2, 50%. Then the calculation. So 1 by 8 already we did. Face பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் 1 by 2. 1 by 8 faceல 1 by 2. இத டீடைல் கால்குலேஷன்ல போடும்போது இதான் கால்குலேஷனுடைய கான்செப்ட். NC into 1 by 8 plus NC into 1 by 2. One second பாருங்க, NC into 1 by 8 and then NC into 1 by 8 plus NF into 1 by 2. Okay, இப்போ now 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. Cancel பண்ணாக்க 8 8 cancel, 1 6 into 1 by 2 cancel பண்ணா 3, 1 plus 3 4. So face center cubic so far total number of atom present in cubic கேட்டக்க எவ்வளவு எழுதணும்? 4 only. Next body center cubic. So body center cubic அப்படினாக்க corner plus center of the body, corner plus center of the body. So அதுல பாருங்க total number of atom visibly already we did in corner plus center of the body only 1. See the diagram, only 1 atom. So far 8 plus 1, so 9 atom. 8 plus 1 9 atom. இதுல you can move once again. Corner calculation already we did. Center of the body number, it's not possible to sharing other unit cell. என்ன reason? Because centerல இருக்கு. So அந்த பனானாவை கட்டே பண்ணல, நம்மளே ஃபுல்லா சாப்பிட்டுறோம். So அதுதான் contribute for corner நாக்க 1 by 8, but center of the body அப்படினாக்க 1 by 1. Okay, இது calculationல enter பண்ணுங்க once again. So NC into 1 by 8 plus NB into 1 by 1. So 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 by 1. 8 8 cancel, 1. Here also 1 into 1 1. So far number of atom 2. So this is a simple cubic, face center cubic, body center cubic calculation. Okay, so இது ஒரு part over. Next one more concept தான் packing concept, packing fraction. So அதுல நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? simple cubicல how much packing, face centerல how much packing, body centerல how much packing check பண்றோம். Okay, அதுக்கு once again back to the textbook. So see this. But now this calculation over. Next, packing crystals. So packing crystal 2 types. One mathematically how to derive, another one theoretically. So first of all mathematical derivation we'll check. Mathematical. See this. So this is a packing efficiency calculation. Okay, the clear cut picturized notes. So everything order. How to packing simple cubic. How much of packing percentage? How much of packing? Body center cubic. How much packing? Face center how much packing? First one simple cubic. So this is a general formula. Packing fraction or efficiency. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell into 100 by volume of unit cell. This formula common for simple cubic, body center cubic and face center cubic. The denominator part also all the cubic center should be constant. So volume of the cubic means just now we did each and every cubic having the 3 axes. So each length I am considered for A. So A into A cube. So now I'm find out a denominator part. Next you can move numerator part. So numerator part it is R. First of all we need to consider volume of the sphere into total number of atom. So that too this is the formula. Say this total volume occupied by the sphere means first of all here volume total number of atom into volume of the sphere. So do you know that mathematics volume of the sphere that means what 4 by 3 pi r cube 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in simple cubic once again see the diagram once again. See this. So in simple cubic I need to find a radius of simple cubic. Radius of simple cubic. So here between the edge length, so your corner semicircle, another corner semicircle, this is one radius, so another radius. R plus R, 2R. So each edge length, that is A equal to 2R, R equal to A by 2. That's it. Now substitute this value in volume of the sphere. See this. Substitute this value. So what will happen? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r value just now we did A by 2. So A by 2 whole cube. A by 2 whole cube. So cube put in inside. So 4 pi A cube 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Cancel 4 and 2 to remaining pi A cube by 6. So now we find out volume of the sphere. But I want to calculate total volume of the sphere. So total volume means volume of the sphere into total number of atom present in simple cubic. That is how much? Only 1. So 1 into pi A cube by 6. Same answer. Now if you want to calculate packing fraction means percentage of packing fraction. So into 100. Into 100 add panaka. Finally we get all mathematical numerical numbers. We get 52.31%. We get 52.31%. So what is the meaning of this? So each and every simple cubic 52 approximately 52% occupy 48% empty. 52% available, that is a packing. 48% is empty. So this is called a packing percentage of packing efficiency of simple cubic. Okay, so like this you can move face center and the body center. Face center and the body center. So everything already we did. Now we need to recollect all these things. Okay, for many students you know that very well. This is called a revision. But many students is not in FCC and BCC. Okay, so go to the notes. So just now I told simple cubic, face center cubic, body center cubic. First stage everything similar. Packing fractions first formula and then even denominator part everything similar. Except volume of the sphere radius only differ BCC and FCC. So radius already we did. So radius of body center cubic, how much? Root 3a by 4. Radius of body center cubic, root 3a by 4. That value substitute here. Instead of R value, substitute root 3a by 4 whole cube. Then 4 into pi. So root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 root 3 into a cube divided by 3 into 4 into 4 into 4, cancel everything. Finally, we get root 3 pi a cube by 6. So this is only volume of the sphere. Once again, I need to find total volume. So total volume means, which one adding? Total number of atom present in body center cubic. So total number of atom means 2 into previous value. So all together, so cancel 8 by divided by 16. Finally, we get 68%. So compared to simple cubic, body center cubic occupies spaces more percentage, 68%. So available in empty, 32%. Likewise, you can move FCC, face center cubic. So once again, beginning calculation, everything should be same, except radius only differ. In this case, face center cubic, radius. So radius of face center cubic means root 2a by 4. That value substitute instead of r value, whole cube. Finally, we get root 2 pi a cube by 24. Okay, again this value substitute. This is called the volume of sphere, but I want to find a total volume of sphere. So total volume means total number of atom present in face center cubic 4 into previous value. Again cancel 4 by 24. So what will happen? 6 into percentage calculation into 100. So everything mathematical steps. Finally, we get a 74%. So what is the conclusion once again? Here occupy space in FCC 74%, empty space 26%. So overall view, which is more packing? Which is more packing? Induja, tell me, which is more packing? Face center cubic. Very good. Very good. So tell me accordingly packing value. Packing.
Simple cubic 52%, sir.
Okay.
Face center 74, sir.
Okay.
Body center 68%, sir.
So comparatively, all the three values, which is more? Face center cubic should be more. So that is called a more packing. More packing. So your textbook, book back side, I think question number 11, how much of empty space in body center cubic it one? So you are simply mugging 68, 74 and 58, but subtract 100 in body center cubic, 100 minus 68, 32% only answer. Okay. So now this is a calculation part over. Now you can move for theoretical part. That's yesterday we did அதுக்கு ஒரு schematic ஒன்று பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அது can move for textbook. Textbookல how to packing in practically how to packing. அதுக்கு some examples given in your textbook. In fruit stall, apple, how to arrange it in the fruit stall. Some shop arranged it loosely, some shop arranged it tightly. But I will tell one example. Suppose you are simply sitting during the class hour, or simply sitting in examination hour, or during the sitting quarantine, corona time, examination time. So what is the difference? During the time, during the class hour, simply you're sitting 5 students in each bench. So more packing. Whereas examination time, you are sitting 2 in a bench. So little bit beyond between the 2 students. But quarantine time, you are sitting only 1 in each bench. So in this case, which is more packing? During the class hour. During the class hour, you are more packing. Likewise, you can move 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. See the textbook sentence. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. First, you can move for 2-dimensional. So already I told 2-dimensional means what? Only 2 axes. Only 2 axes. There are 2 types of curriculum. One is A type. Another one is AB type. So how to differentiate between these two? How to differentiate between these two? Suppose now I'm considering AA type only one line. Only one line. Appo classroom you are sitting on left side, right side. How many person sitting na? Only 2%. That is given in this word here. Only one possibility of the arrangement sphere in the one direction. One direction. In this case, neighboring. Here, 2 neighboring sphere in the either side. So only, suppose I'm taking only one line. So neighboring atom, how many? Only 2. Whereas if we take in multiple line, if we take multiple line, let us consider any middle of the students. Unode left side, unode right side, unode front, unode back. All the 4 students touch with the middle students. This is what AA type. At the same time, multiple of line. So that time what will happen? 4 neighboring atom touched with the middle person. Whereas now we can move another one more AB type. AB type means what? First line simply put each atom, but second row not like this. In first row, each and every depression is called a void. Understanding word is called a holes. Between the 2 atom having one depression, occupy one pink color ball. Can you follow? See the cursive. Between the 2 atom having one depression. Depression is called a, see the cursive, depression. Depression is called a, what? Nothing but a hole or void. VOIDS, void. So one pink color ball arranged. So likewise, all the pink color ball arranged between the depression. First row depression. Next, between the 2 pink depression, you can arrange it in green color. Now finally we got multiple of layer. But in this time, closely watching, what will happen? Third row identical with the first row. Similarly, fourth row identical with the second row. Third row identical with the first row. Second row identical with the fourth row, or fourth row identical with the first row. Now let us consider any other green color ball or pink color ball touching how many number of atom? On axis 2 atom, above axis 2 atom, then below axis 2 atom. So far how many atom? 6. For AB in 2-dimensional AB type, each atom touching, that is a neighboring atom, how many? 6. How many? 6. Okay, this is under 2-dimensional path. This is under 2-dimensional. Accordingly, you should plan 3-dimensional also. So 3-dimensional comparatively 2-dimensional a little bit complicated, because how to differentiate between these two? 2-dimensional 2 axis, 3-dimensional means what? 3 axis. So let us show this one, cubic model. So cubic model we will see. So once again, for 3-dimensional, see the textbook, 3 layers. That's cubic model. Cubic model 9, 9, 9. So 27 pink color ball. The middle pink color ball, left side, right side, front, back, everything one axis. Above one ball, below one ball. So neighboring atom, how much? 6. Neighboring how much? 6 neighboring sphere. That's it. Okay. So it's a differentiate between 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional. Okay. Today class over. Wait a minute. Today class over. Okay. Okay. Now you go through it. Everything. Go through already I will display so many things. That one share your WhatsApp. I'll print out. I'll check panika. Then you can move for your classwork and test. Classwork first, then write the test. Okay. Then after that, we will discuss the remaining thing in next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.